there definitely is still a stigma out there for seeking help.
Embrace the Rain. It's a showcase of all the MSU students and faculty, their experiences with mental illness or at times in their life that they've struggled with mental health in some way.
I may be a little broken, a little fragile, but I am strong.
And this is the thing, just get over it. Do you have any idea what depression is?
It's funny in the most ironic, least humorous way they tell us human, when it comes down to it, are only fractions of who they are as a whole when those fractions are broken.
How do you bounce back? How do you continue to go and go on?
Everywhere I looked, and I saw people that I thought seemed to get it right every time. It seemed like no one else had to work just to get through the day like I did.
Maybe it's not about doing something today, but more about healing the traumas within me that are interconnected to the embedded collective experience.
Even though on the internet we may be quick to say, oh, yeah, I feel kind of down, nobody really has these conversations in real life, and that's one of the most important parts of mental health, is talking about